Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how you guys can get approved for $5,000 credit cards or around $5,000, and you guys can do this without actually getting a hard inquiry. So I made another video already and I talked about this, but I wasn't able to fully show you guys other people that got approved, but here we are here. So one person said that they was able to get approved for 3 of them with $9,000 each. So it's $9,000 limits on each credit cards. And then another person said $4,500 each. Now I was able to do this, and this one is with the Truist. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this, and I'm going to show you guys other companies that you guys can actually use. Now somebody else said 4,500 here. Somebody else said that they got approved, but for only $500. Somebody said that try this morning, $6,500. Card number 20. Congratulations. Somebody else said $4,700. So I saw this and I was like, I have to tell people about this. And this one is the Truist card. Now, Truist, they have multiple credit cards, you guys. So you can do multiple credit cards. So what you want to do is you want to actually go to the Truist website, and let's actually go there. If I click the apply now, let's see if we're going to actually go to the website, or what link I actually have in here. It might just be this individual credit card. Okay, perfect. So the website I was on is my website, Rickita.com. When you guys are on my website, you guys can search any credit card right here, and then you guys will be able to see like the reviews and stuff like this. But we're going to go over this card next. I just want to make sure you guys are aware of that, because what I did was I did the apply now for the Truist credit card, and here we are on the website for their credit cards. So what you want to do is this. You want to go ahead and apply for 3 of their credit cards, and there's going to be a pre-qualification at first. So they have 3. So you guys can do this one right here, the Enjoy Cash credit card. You guys can do this. They have 0% APR for 12 months. I really like that. And then 0% APR for balance transfers if you guys want to transfer a balance. So they have that one. They have the Enjoy Beyond credit, which is great. So you guys can try that one. I will wait on this one. I would try another one because of the $95 fee, but this is another option for those people that they're interested in what they have to offer. I don't know what you guys like or what you guys don't like. I don't like the annual fee, but you know, it's still an option for you all. I would try the Future credit card, and then I would try the Enjoy Travel, because both of these, they don't have annual fees. So I will actually try the Enjoy Travel credit card, the Future credit card, and then I would try the Enjoy Cash credit card. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and apply for this credit card, right? Once you apply for it, they're going to say, hey, you pre-approved, you pre-qualify for it. You're going to say, perfect. Before you accept it, you want to actually go to your second card, which was the Future credit card. So go to this one, go ahead and get pre-qualified for this one. Before you accept it, go to the third one, which again, we're going to actually the Future one was the one with the annual fee. This was the one with the annual fee. We're going to go to the third one, which is right here, the Enjoy Travel credit card. So this would be the third one. Pre-qualify for it. Now, before you accept it, what you can do is you can actually go ahead and put a freeze on your Equifax credit report, because that's what they're going to pull, Equifax. When you guys put a freeze on it, I want you guys to go back, because you want to actually have it open as 3 tabs, like duplicate it, have 3 separate tabs at the top. So one for each application. After you guys go ahead and put a freeze on your Equifax, go here, accept. Go to the second tab, accept. Go to the third tab, which I don't have anything. Go ahead and accept it. And that way you guys are going to get 3 credit cards with no hard inquiry. You guys have to understand that you should freeze the Equifax. If you don't freeze it, you're still going to get that 1 hard inquiry, which is great. But at the same time, that is what you guys can do so that you guys can be able to get 3 credit cards. And again, we seen $4,500, we seen $4,700, we seen $9,000, which is what I was able to get from them. So I definitely suggest that you guys try this, because you guys are going to be able to get approved. Now, this is not it. We have some more credit cards. Let's get into it. It's just that one I have to explain a little bit more on how to actually do it. Now, the next one that you guys can do this with is the Apple card. So Apple have the same thing. Now, Apple, these are the approvals that I have here. My limit is actually higher than this. So I definitely want to say that you can't get higher limits than what we have here. So you can see right here, a $2,000 limit. Somebody said they was able to get approved for $2,500. Somebody else said they was able to get approved for the GM and the Apple. And they said they made sure that they froze their credit before they accepted. So they got no hard inquiries, which is what we're aiming for, y'all. That is what we're aiming for. So the same thing I told you guys to do with the Truist, you want to do that with the Apple card too. You want to go ahead and apply for it, pre-qualify for it. Once they say that you can pre-qualify for it, go ahead and freeze your TransUnion credit report, because that's what they're going to actually pull. Go ahead and freeze your TransUnion credit report, come back and accept it. And then you'll be able to get approved for this credit card without a hard inquiry. So again, these credit cards are on my website. It's just my name, Rickita.com. And when you come to my website, this is what it's going to look like. Something similar. I am thinking about changing my website around, but this is what it's going to look like. I just want it to function. I don't care too much about the aesthetics. I want it to function, and I want everything to work well. So this is what you guys are going to see. So you can go right here and search credit cards here. Now, another card, because they said they got the Apple and they got the GM. That's this one right here. You guys can definitely do this with the GM too. Somebody said they got approved for $7,500 with them. That same comment, I added it here so other people can see. Somebody said they got approved for $2,500. Another person said that they was able to get approved after they accepted the offer. They got 0% APR for 12 months, and they did not get a hard inquiry. So listen up, guys. Rickita's giving out great advice. So thank you so much, Tony, for this. But definitely all you have to do is pre-qualify for it. Once they say that you're pre-qualified for it, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and freeze that bureau. Freeze the bureau, which should be TransUnion. So freeze the bureau. A hard inquiry once you go ahead and accept the offer for that credit card. So are you guys loving it so far, or what? Now, the best thing is it's not just this, it's more than just this. So you guys can also do this with Sam's Club. So Sam's Club have the same thing. So somebody said that they got the Sam's Club MasterCard for $5,000. It works like an Apple card. See that you're pre-qualified, freeze your TransUnion, and then accept it. And then you're not going to get a hard pull. So somebody got $5,000. Another person got $1,000, $1,100, $2,500. So I definitely want you guys to try this. Now, if you guys are like, oh, this is not working, I'm not getting approved, you probably need to work on your credit. Definitely check out my exclusive credit membership. As you can see below, that's my banner for Strong in 75. I don't know when you're going to be watching this, but I have a whole playlist if you guys go to strongin75.com to find videos on how you guys can get your credit together. The goal is for you guys to get 180 points in 75 days. And it is tough because it's something that you have to do every day, but it's something that you guys can definitely accomplish, because you guys should not be getting denials. It's something that you got to fix on your credit to the point where you keep getting denials. You have to fix those things. Now, also on my website, I always tell you guys similar cards, right? So you guys can always check out the similar cards. So this is with the Sam's Club. These are credit cards I think is similar to Sam's Club. But if you guys are having a hard time getting approved and you just want to get a credit card, check out this list right here. Pre-qualify with no hard inquiry. So go in here and see which credit cards you guys can pre-qualify with no hard inquiry. This have credit cards for people with bad credit, and then also credit cards for people with good credit too. Now, I do have the 6 months of free letters. So if you guys have negative accounts on your credit reports, you do need to work on removing them, especially if they're inaccurate. So definitely check out this, because I can create the letters to help you delete these accounts from your credit reports. All you have to do is steps 1 through 4. The 5th step is to actually call us, and then we'll work on creating those dispute letters for you so you can work to remove those negative accounts from your credit reports. Now, just keep scrolling down. You're going to see a lot of credit cards on here. So we talked about the Apple one already. A lot of credit cards on here that can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. That means they're going to tell you yes or no without giving you a hard inquiry on your credit report, which is what you want. You want to be able to get credit cards without them giving you that hard inquiry at first. Now, if they're going to say they give you a credit card, go ahead and accept that hard inquiry. But if they know that they can't give you if they know that they can't give you that credit card, they shouldn't give you a hard inquiry. So definitely go through this list. It's so many different credit cards on here. I hope that you guys are going to get approved. And keep in mind too, you want to make sure that you freeze that bureau. If you guys are not freezing that bureau, you guys are going to most likely get that hard inquiry, and that's not something I want you guys to get. But definitely let me know in the comments if you guys are able to get approved for these credit cards, and I hope that you guys actually get approved.